And hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna create the side step variation designed by Cetus 550, Pavel Makurin. So thank you, Pavel, for this awesome Paracord bracelet. Here we have the 4-strand Paracord bracelet cord. The full tutorial you have in the top right corner in the information card, so go ahead and click on that eye icon. And if you want to learn how to create this awesome bracelet also, the full tutorial is again in the information cards. The links where we buy and purchase our Paracord and Paracord equipment, jig, buckles, etc, etc, you have also down in the description box below this video. Now that being said, we can start with today's project. So first we're going to take the right strand cord and we make it into the gap between first and the second cord from the left side, and then around, and then through the gap from the back side or through the middle of a bracelet core strands, like so. Now we're going to pull it to make it tight, and we're going to continue. We're going to do the same, so from the top side into the gap between third and the fourth cord, or in the gap between first and the second cord from the right side, so through, and again from the back side through the middle, so in the gap between second and third core strand. Now pull it, make it tight, and continue. We're gonna take now the right strand again, and we're gonna make it from the back side, so around this first core strand of the right side, and we're gonna make it around like so, and then through the loop on the right. We're gonna do the same with the left strand, so under, around, in the gap from the back side, in the gap between first and second core strand from the left, and then into the loop on the left side. So into the gap between first and the second cord from the left side, around, and from the back side into the middle of the bracelet core, in the gap between second and the third core strand. Pull it, make it tight, and continue. Now we're going to take the left cord and we make it also into the gap between first and the second core strand, but this time from the right side, and then again around and from the back through the middle or through the gap between second and the third core strand. Pull it, make it tight, cinch it, and we're gonna continue. Take the right strand, make it around the first core strand from the right side, and then through the loop on the right. Pull it, make it tight, and do the same with the left cord. So from the back side around and through the loop on the left. Pull it, make it tight, and continue. So here we are, we almost reached the end of today's project. Now with those two cords I'm gonna take and insert the left cord into the space between first and the second core strand, or in the middle of these cow's hitches, and pull it. And the same thing with the right strand cord. We're gonna take it and insert it also into the gap between first and the second cord, bracelet core cord from the right side. Now we're gonna take it and cut off the excess of a cord. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, and also hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. So that being said, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, see you soon, bye!